Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the world of commercial vehicles with a focus on the 2025 ISUZU Carry minivan. This versatile and reliable van is designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses and individuals alike. Let's explore what makes the Carry minivan a top choice for transportation and logistics. The Carry minivan offers a spacious and versatile interior that can be configured to suit different needs. The cabin is designed with comfort and practicality in mind, featuring comfortable seating, ample storage space, and a user-friendly dashboard. The cargo area is spacious and easily accessible, making it ideal for transporting goods and equipment. The ISUZU Carry has a long-standing reputation for durability and reliability. The 2025 model builds on this legacy, offering a robust and dependable vehicle that can handle the toughest jobs. Its sturdy construction and high-quality components ensure long-lasting performance. The Carry minivan is equipped with a powerful and efficient engine that delivers impressive performance and fuel economy. This engine is designed to handle heavy loads and long distances with ease, making it ideal for various applications. ISUZU is committed to safety, and the Carry minivan is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including anti-lock brakes, prevents wheel lockup during emergency braking, improving vehicle control and reducing stopping distances. Electronic stability control, helps maintain vehicle stability during critical maneuvers, such as cornering and emergency maneuvers. ISUZU vehicles are known for their low maintenance costs, and the Carry minivan is no exception. With regular maintenance and proper care, the Carry minivan can provide many years of reliable service. The ISUZU Carry minivan is a versatile and reliable commercial vehicle that can meet the needs of a wide range of businesses and individuals. With its powerful engine, comfortable interior, and advanced safety features, it's a smart choice for those seeking a durable and efficient transportation solution. What are your thoughts on the ISUZU Carry minivan? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.